Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So tie the hairs on the sides in the ponytail and make the plaits on it like this. Now fold it upward using the hairstyling tool, rotate it like this. Now fix it by folding it upward again and put the hair clutch. Next, you have to take the hairs on the sides, tie it and put this ribbon band on the hairs. Now take the hairs from the sides in the small section to make the plaits so that we can fix the ribbon on the hairs. Put them in the line like this one by one and fix it. Watch these steps very carefully how we are fixing the ribbon. Take it till the end like this. Now fold it and then again fix it by folding it upward and then tie it using the ribbon as shown in the video and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs on the sides, make the plaits on it and then fold it upward in the shape of a bow like this. Fix it by folding it, put the hair clutch or the hairpins over it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides and then rotate it. Now make the plaits to fix the ribbon on the hairs like this. Fold them one by one as shown in the video. Fix it and make the plaits carefully as we are making. Join it on the other side as well. Tie the hairs together and make the plaits on all the hairs at the end like this. Fold it and fix it on the top using the hairpins and then tie it using a rubber band and it's ready. Next, tie half of the hairs and fix this beautiful hair accessory on the hairs. Now to fix it, we will make the plaits. So first, we will take the hairs from the sides in the lining way like this. Join it in the between and tie the hairs together as shown in the video. Fold it like this and fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie the hairs on the sides. So first comb it properly and then take small section in the front and tie them. Join it on the back and make a ponytail. Now fix this bun plate and fold it upward and fix it from the sides. Tie it, spread the hairs, put a rubber band and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Cover it using the knit like this. Next, you have to take the hairs like this on the back and divide them into 3 parts. Now divide it from the between and rotate it. Tie them together and put the rubber band by tying it on the top. Divide it from the between, rotate it over the bun like this. Spread the hairs from the sides, tie it like this, put the hair clutch and it's ready. Next, we will take the hairs on the back or the sides like this and divide them into 3 parts and fix the thread on the each section of the hairs and make the plaits on it to fix the threads. Tie them together on the sides and make the plaits by taking all the hairs together like this on the sides and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the side and then rotate it. Now fix this beautiful hairband on the top. Now to fix its ribbon, we will make the plaits on the hairs. Join it on the back and make the plaits like this to tie the hairs and your hairstyle is ready. Next, comb the hairs properly first and then we will make the plaits on it on the top by taking small section of the hairs. Now taking these sections of the hairs in the lining way like this, we will make the plaits. Join them one by one like this till the end and tie all the hairs. Now after that, we will fold it upward and fix it by making a small bun like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take the hairs on the sides and make the plaits like this. Now join the hairs carefully till the end and tie the hairs like this. Tie it using a rubber band at the middle. Pull out the hairs a little bit from the sides and join the hairs together. Fix them into each other and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie the hairs and make a ponytail. Fix this beautiful hair bow ribbon on the hairs. Now make the plaits to fix the ribbons by dividing them into 2 parts and it's ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail. Put this hair clips on the hairs. Now to fix it, divide the hairs and make the plaits like this. So divide the hairs into 2 parts and fix them one by one by making the plaits till the end and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail, make the plaits on it and then roll it upward like this. Fix it by tying a rubber band and it's ready. Don't forget to put the net over it and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.